Gloomily, I fell asleep in my seat. Then I had the dream of having no room. You were there just staring at me. At the lonely end of the ring, you and me. At the lonely end of the ring, you and me. At the lonely end of the ring, you and me. At the lonely end of the ring, the lonely end of the
I was just 17 when I made the AHL. I couldn't skate in junior, but my fist rang like a bell. I'll never win a title and I'll never win a cup. But when it comes to ladies, I've had the best of luck. My first girl was a sly one, she's hanging around the rink. Hey, sent me off to Cornwall as fast as you could blink. And Moonshine was right in love, the daughter of the coach. He traded me for nothing, didn't take to my approach. So goodbye, very well. There's no time for delay. You'll see me at the face-off or catch a play-by-play. So goodbye, very well. I'm glad you shared my bed, but never trust a fella with a helmet on his head. Chateau sur Montana, jouait avec moi. Her tongue and sharp as razors, but she had a fancy car. Her husband was a bruiser, played senior in Quebec. And if he had the rights of it, it would have been my neck. So goodbye, very well. There's no time for delay. You'll see me at the face-off or catch a play-by-play. So goodbye, very well. I'm glad you shared my bed, but never trust a fella with a helmet on his head. And Nancy couldn't watch me fight, she'd always be in tears, waving from the bleachers and screaming